Way down south is where I know my love will be. I got dressed up in this suit, which was novelty, and I'll stay waiting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She got dressed up and we went out, and she said, let's make a mess of us, maybe some truth will come out. And I said, I'll be waiting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She said, someday this could change, so if we make the best of what we got, and if we be sure we don't hurt, well, once we love anymore.